Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to install Homebrew on macOS. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser. Then you're going to type in Homebrew, and it should be the first link that comes up. And once you're on the website, tap the copy button. This will basically copy this command, and what this command does is it basically installs Homebrew on your system. Once you have the command copied, you're going to go to your search bar and you're going to type in terminal. Once terminal is opened, you're going to paste in the command and press enter. It will ask for your password, so be sure to type that in. Then press return one more time and it will start installing everything. It might look a bit different when you're installing it because I already have Homebrew installed, so it's just going to update a few things in that stuff. So if you see a lot of text popping up, that is just because it's installing it and I already have it installed. It just updated it. If you guys don't know what Homebrew is an app from macOS that allows you to install a huge variety of Unix software on your Mac with one simple command. The reason why you need Homebrew is because macOS doesn't come installed with a package management system, meaning you have to install a third-party one. It's not that big of a deal. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that when a person on YouTube tells you to type in sudo apt-get install, you would instead type in brew installed. This issue shouldn't discourage you from using Mac over Linux for running Unix-based software. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any recommendations for what video I should make next, please type in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.